I got the first Caravan seat installed in the bus. Driver's side there. Looks okay. Fits quite nice, seems quite low. Seating is pretty good, so yeah, I gotta work on the swivel seat now. It's a little more tricky, so I will try and update later. Thanks, guys. So I'm working on figuring out the swivel seat and the Stow and Go, swivel seat base and the Stow and Go seat. I'm just playing around with some ideas here. I'm thinking of using like this little square tube, give it some height, just to clear everything. I don't really want to bother chopping these up more than I have to. Yeah, so I think if I use these square tubes, drill them out, obviously, get them in there. Hopefully that'll work. So we'll see. Yeah, see what I can come up with. Bars are now cut. Well, the rear one's cut to length. And it'll work something like, sorry, one-handed. It'll work something like that. Hopefully. So we'll see. So the rear bar goes all the way across to the flat panel there. So I'll bolt through there and through there. Front one, I'm just going to have to kind of flatten it out and bolt through there and there. So I'm not sure how it's going to be like centered on the seat, but hopefully it's alright. I mean, it's on the slider itself, so it should adjust back and forth a little bit. I think, yes, yeah, it'll still slide. So, we'll see how it goes. Cheers. Alright, it's not the prettiest, but it is mounted. So I've got the, I don't know, a half-inch square tube, front and rear. See here, it's mounted in there, bolted into the original seat rails here, bolted in. Yeah, so I don't know, I'll clean it up a bit, get some better hardware, some washers, bigger washers. Not the best, but you know, something should work. And I don't think it'll add too much height, so it's pretty flush. Let me sit up here, so yeah, we'll see how it looks when it's in the car. Bus. Thank you for the journey. Alright, so installed. I gotta figure out my seatbelt scenario now, but it's in. Both of them mounted, functional. So yeah, doesn't look too bad, not ridiculously high. I have to see though, it definitely has some issues spinning around and stuff. There's just not as much room as I'd like. It's a pretty long seat, so, and I kind of buggered up the adjuster. It doesn't really seem to want to adjust as easily anymore. I think there's some nut suits in the way anyways, but yeah, it's all in there. So we'll see how it goes once I get things running and see how comfy they are. Gotta do all the pedestals and obviously the rest of the wiring. Anyways, one step forward.